everybody, and welcome to ClausenWorld. In today's video, I'm coming to you guys with a quick mail call. I received a couple of things in the mail and I was gifted a few things for the spring as well as the fall garden, and I wanted to bring that to you guys. I'm in traffic, as y'all can see, and I'm trying to make sure that I'm not running over anybody or no one's running over me. But I wanted to bring you guys that quick mail call that I got and let you all know that before I get to the house, I'm going to put out a disclaimer. I have 2 dogs, and the youngest one has been irritating my eldest dog to the point that there has been a battle royale in the house every single solitary day. So if you all hear any noise that sounds like a little alligator growling or lots of barking, that's what's going on. So y'all been warned. I'll see you in a bit. I've had this stuff for a little while, so I'm gonna just quickly jump into this video. I received from an employee of mine, I think these are daffodils. I can't remember, I've had them a while, but I think these are daffodil bulbs. And she gave me some mixed tulip bulbs. I don't know what color they are. These are mixed. I picked up some, and I think I got these from maybe Walmart. I picked up some paper whites, and these are the paper whites. And these are all going to go in the garden now for spring. I also was out and about some weeks ago and I picked up some Allum bulbs, and these are also mixed. They are purple and white, and I think there are 2 different types of purple. This one looks darker than the others, so I think there are 2 types of purples and a white. It just says purple white mix. So some Allum bulbs. And let's see here, I've opened up this box that came in the mail, but I didn't go into it. Let's see, they sent me a card like they always do. And this is of course my packing slip, packing material, good for the worms. Let's see, bubbles. And these are, let's see, these are my Saffron Crocus bulbs, and I got 15 of these. So, and I forgot to tell you, I didn't count the tulips, but you could tell I got 3 daffodils, 15 crocus saffron bulbs, and that is the saffron that you actually eat. And these are, oh, I got more alliums. I didn't know I got more alliums, so I guess I will have more alliums than I know what to do with. Oh, as a matter of fact, these are different. These are 25 allium bulbs. These are different from this one. These alliums have a nice small purple flower. So I will try to put some pictures somewhere in the video so you guys can see what they look like. Now I wanted to show you guys, if you guys can hear some heavy breathing, that's my eldest bulldog. She is in the room over there behind me, breathing like a stalker. And the youngest one is sitting in the doorway because she's not being allowed to come inside. The eldest is not having any parts of her today. But I wanted to show you guys what the second container of alliums look like, as well as what the Saffron Crocus look like, in the event that you guys have never seen the Saffron Crocus. Now this is the other allium. I hope you guys can see. This is the other allium that I purchased, and the company that I got this from, I want to say, was Zoo Lily, and I love this particular company that they use. Don't ask me how to pronounce this. I'm gonna show you guys what what the company is. I hope you guys can see that. Can y'all see that? And that I've gotten flowers from them for the past several years, and I really like their flower bulbs. They give you a nice information card. It tells you all about the flower that you ordered, or the bulb that you ordered. They tell you whether or not it's deer and rodent resistant, because there are many bulbs that you'll plant and you'll ask yourself when springtime comes, why didn't my bulbs come up? Because rodents like to eat your bulbs, especially squirrels. Squirrels love tulip bulbs, just in case you all did not know this. So I planted like 125 different flower bulbs last year before last, give or take, I can't remember. It's just so much going on that the vast majority of my stuff didn't come up, and I did not know why until I realized the squirrels have been eating the bulbs I bought. And so yeah, that just really set me on blaze, because I spent a nice amount of money buying all those bulbs and they ate them up. And of course, crocus, the saffron crocus, they are a nice purple crocus, and the saffron fronds are those dark orange bits right there. You take those off and you let those dry, and you use those in your cooking in the kitchen. If you have not tasted saffron, oh my goodness, you gotta try some saffron rice. It's delicious. And the same thing with this card. They tell you all about the exposure, the height, the spacing, what zone they're good to grow in. It gives you some information for growing. It gives you tip and care. It talks about the variety. The same with the alliums. I have one more package over here. Let's see. I got some stuff from Seeds Now, and I will put some information in the description box below so that you guys can get some benefits from Seeds Now as well. I have a discount code for you guys, so I'll put that in the description box below from Seeds Now. Let's see, I picked up some early purple Italian garlic, a sample of that. I got 3 cloves of that, just a sample. I picked up some late Italian garlic, and that 3 cloves of those. And I really enjoy ordering from Seeds Now, because they always put a nice little note on your invoice. They say happy planting, or they send you an email and they ask you how things are going in your planting zone. So I like that. That's really sweet. And then of course they give you gift certificates. I've got 2 here for 20% off, so I can order some more bulbs or cloves. I'll probably order some more garlic. And then they gave me an invitation code to their Urban Organic Garden Seed Club. They've been after me for about a year to join their seed club. A freebie. And this one is, oh, well, look at that. This one is a pumpkin seed. And it is a free seed starter kit, and it's called Pumpkin Jack-O-Lantern. There we go. And I have a visitor, y'all. Hold on a second. Okay, she knows she's not supposed to be in here, so she's trying to get out. But yes, I received 1 pumpkin seed and a little pea pellet pod for the Pumpkin Jack-O-Lantern pumpkin. All right, so I'm not going to start any pumpkins now, but and I can't promise I'll do it next year, but we'll see. I don't have any room for pumpkins. They grow really large. They sprawl out everywhere, and I just don't have the space for pumpkins. I accidentally had a pumpkin grow in the garden 2 years ago. Quick story. A squirrel had eaten a hole in a pumpkin that I got for free, that I put out for just harvest decorations, and a squirrel or something ate a hole in the pumpkin, took out almost all the seeds, and they left like pumpkin guts all over the ground. So I picked up all that stuff, I threw it over by the compost bin, and lo and behold, I had a really large pumpkin patch by the garbage cans and the compost bins. So I swore I would never purposefully plant a pumpkin over there because it took over completely, and I ended up having 3 large snakes in that area. 2 actually were killed by the bird netting, and 1 was a tiny baby, and I got rid of that one. I shooed him out the garden. But yes, this is all I have today. I know y'all probably hear that growling noise. My eldest dog is upset with the younger one, so I've got to get out of here, y'all. I'm sorry this is rushed, and I hope it doesn't sound too unprofessional, but I've got a lot going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be coming back with another video, and I'll be showing you me planting these bulbs, but today is not that day. That's going to be for another time. So until then, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or evening, whatever time it is you're watching this. Do me a big favor and share this video, like this video, comment if you like. I do my best to comment on all those who comment to me. And yeah, have a good day, y'all. I got to get out of here. Bye.